We set up that culture at the start of the year that everyone's ideas are valued and listened to. And there are ways to respectfully disagree, but we value everyone's ideas.
There's real richness in throwing questions to each other, not in a way that says you're right, you're wrong, but why are you doing that and where does it come from and how does that connect to our children? The big pedagogy ones, those sort of conversations, you can actually toss it up in the air and it all sort of flows. The little picky ones need a bit more of a kawa and a protocol around it.
I'm a better teacher when there are other people around me holding me accountable for what my teaching practice is. I'm a better teacher when I am relied on by others to deliver something in tandem with them or even as part of a program that is bigger than just me.
And because we've developed the ways to have those robust conversations, we're actually setting up structures for them to happen. So not just saying, oh, we think these conversations will happen, we actually specifically have the structures of people in pairs, people observing each other and giving that feedback.
When Hannah and I are having these conversations and she's talking about these students in her class, I'm questioning her, but through my questioning I'm starting to think, oh, so what does that mean for me as a teacher as well? What do I actually believe in that's going to make this better? And so it's a two-way thing, but the whole point is that everyone's getting a better understanding as we're going along.
You could go to it and see what they've done.
No, that's good.
It's not in their book, it's so everyone can see it.
Yeah, that's right.
No one really lets you sit back and do nothing. It's what's everyone's ideas and everyone's opinions expected.
Our students get to have not just my strengths, they get to have the other teachers' strengths as well when they are shared amongst us.